Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to extend recording time on YouTube TV. So, if you miss the last few minutes of your favorite show or a sports game, YouTube TV automatically records your content. But extending the recording time ensures you don't miss any critical moments. So I will give you a detailed guide to adjust and manage your recording time. Now, first of all, you need to understand YouTube TV's recording system. YouTube TV does not allow manual recording time extensions. However, the platform automatically adds extra time to live sports, events, and programs that are likely to run late. Here's how it works. YouTube TV uses real-time data to detect overruns, especially for sports or live events. Now, to add programs to your library, you'll have to just locate the program, use the search bar, or browse to find the show, movie, or live event you want to record. Add it to the library by clicking on the plus icon, that is Add to Library button, because this will ensure that YouTube TV records the full content along with any automatic extended time. After doing this, go to the library tab to confirm the program is scheduled for recording. So you'll have to just make sure to add the specific event or league to your library, and YouTube will take care of any extensions for you. You can navigate to your library to manage or double check upcoming recordings, and to prevent clutter, remove older recordings to streamline your experience. If you're watching live, you can pause, rewind, or fast forward through recorded content, ensuring you don't miss the ending. So, while YouTube TV doesn't offer manual recording extensions, its automatic features ensures you catch every important moment seamlessly. Simply add your favorite programs to your library and YouTube TV will handle the rest, especially for live sports and events. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.